If your Fanimation ceiling fan remote suddenly stops working, it can prevent you from controlling the fan speed, light, or other settings. In many cases, the issue is not a major malfunction but a simple connection or power problem. Remote controls rely on batteries, radio signals, and a receiver inside the fan to communicate properly. If any of these components stop working correctly, the remote may appear unresponsive. Sometimes the remote simply loses its pairing with the fan after a power interruption, or interference from nearby devices can affect the signal. The good news is that most remote problems can be fixed quickly by checking the basics and resynchronizing the remote with the fan. Step 1. Replace the remote batteries and make sure you are within about 10 to 20 feet of the fan. Step 2. Check the circuit breaker and wall switch to confirm the fan has power. Step 3. Turn off power to the fan, restore it, then hold the set button on the remote for about 5 seconds to resync. Step 4. Open the battery compartment and check the dip switch settings on the remote. Step 5. Compare those dip switch positions with the ones inside the fan receiver and make sure they match. Step 6. If the remote still doesn't respond, reset the fan control app or replace the receiver or remote.